In the universe, there are hundreds of billions of galaxies. In each galaxy, billions of stars. Around many of those stars, countless planets. When you consider the numbers, the probability of life feels enormous. Yet, for most of human history, the universe seemed completely silent. But in recent years, that silence has started to break. It's happening through flashes of energy, through invisible pulses, through waves in the very fabric of space itself. It feels as if the universe is trying to speak to us. What have scientists truly discovered? And are we getting close to the first contact in human history? Tonight, we're going on a journey into the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. We'll explore signals that challenge our understanding of physics and discoveries that might soon answer the oldest question of all. Are we alone? It all started back in 2007 when astronomers detected something really strange. It was a brief radio pulse lasting less than a millisecond, but in that tiny fraction of a second, it released as much energy as our sun produces in several days. At first, scientists thought it had to be an error, a glitch in the system, maybe some interference from Earth. But then, it happened again, and again. Flashes coming from distant galaxies all across the universe. These events became known as fast radio bursts, or FRBs. By 2026, thousands have been recorded. Some of them appear just once and then vanish forever, but others, they return again and again, with a precise, predictable timing. At the Chime Observatory in Canada, scientists observed one repeating burst that fires every 16 days with astonishing regularity. It's like cosmic clockwork. Harvard astrophysicists even published analysis stating that some characteristics of these FRBs can't be fully explained by our existing physical models. Even NASA officially states that the origin of most FRBs remains an unsolved puzzle. Now scientists have some pretty powerful theories. They suggest things like magnetars, which are ultra-dense neutron stars with magnetic fields trillions of times stronger than Earth's, or maybe violent collisions between neutron stars, or even dense plasma environments in distant galaxies. All of these are extreme, powerful events. And yet, some signals remain puzzling. They're repeating, stable, and consistent. And in science, when the data refuses to fit the theory, that's when real curiosity awakens. To be clear, no serious scientist today is claiming these are alien signals. But many will admit the full explanation is still missing. The universe has presented us with a profound mystery. And just recently, in 2026, a new era opened to the cosmos. I'm talking about the Square Kilometre Array. It's the largest radio telescope ever built, with 1 million square meters of collecting surface. It's 50 times more sensitive than any instrument that came before it. SKA scientists stated clearly, if a civilization in our galaxy is transmitting a powerful radio message, the SKA will detect it. For the very first time in history, humanity has technology that is capable of truly listening to the deep universe. Every single day, the SKA scans millions of stars, searching for patterns, for non-random signals, for anything that looks like an artificial structure hidden in the cosmic noise. We are no longer just passive observers. We are active listeners. At the same time, another revolution is unfolding in space. The James Webb Space Telescope has changed astronomy forever. Between 2024 and 2026, Webb has been analyzing the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. These are Earth-sized worlds, many of them located in the habitable zones of their stars. Webb has detected water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. Then, in 2026, an international research team announced something extraordinary. They found a chemical imbalance in the atmosphere of an Earth-like planet. Here on Earth, that kind of imbalance is produced by one thing: life. An ESA scientist involved in the project said, We are closer than ever to detecting life beyond Earth. If this discovery is confirmed, it would mean that biology is not unique to our planet. It would mean that life may be common in the universe. And if life is common, well, then intelligence might not be so rare either. Another window into the cosmos has opened up in just the last few years. I'm talking about gravitational waves. Before 2015, we saw the universe only through light. After 2015, we began to hear it. In 2026, detectors like LIGO, Virgo, and Kagura are recording dozens of black hole collisions every single week. Each collision sends ripples through space-time itself. These are waves that travel for billions of years before finally reaching Earth. Scientists say we are listening to the deep history of the universe. The cosmos is no longer silent. It vibrates. It resonates. It speaks to us in the language of gravity. And then there's the search for intentional signals. The Breakthrough Listen project is continuously scanning the sky for artificial patterns. They're looking for things like laser pulses, digital structures, or mathematical sequences. The project's director stated in 2026, "If an advanced civilization is intentionally transmitting, we now have the technology to detect it. So far, no confirmed artificial signal exists. But there are several unusual candidates that remain under analysis. Science has to proceed carefully. Verification takes a long time, and extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence." So what happens if one day a signal arrives? A signal that is undeniably artificial, mathematical, structured, repeating. Well, protocols for this scenario already exist. It would start with global verification by independent observatories, followed by an international scientific review. And then, a coordinated announcement to all of humanity. The United Nations even has frameworks prepared for such an event. The late Stephen Hawking once warned that revealing our presence to the cosmos might be dangerous. But others believe that making contact would unite our species like never before. For now, the question remains open. For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered. Today, we are doing more than just wondering. We listen, we analyze, we decode. Somewhere out there in that vast darkness, other civilizations may exist. Some could be older than ours, some far more advanced. It's possible that right now, a message is traveling across the void, crossing galaxies, crossing time, on its way to Earth. The universe is no longer silent, and humanity is finally ready to hear what it has to say. Perhaps, at this very moment, a message is on its way, and when that moment comes, you might just hear it first, right here. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysteries of the cosmos, don't forget to like this video. It helps our documentary reach more explorers like you. And make sure to subscribe to the channel Secrets of Our Planet so you won't miss our next journey into the unknown. Because the greatest discovery in human history may happen sooner than we think.